Today, the way we work together has never been more important. Teams are the engines that drive organizations forward. When these engines run smoothly, great things happen. When they sputter and stall, projects fail and people become frustrated. The oil that keeps this engine running is communication. It sounds simple, but, it is the most critical skill for any group to master. Good team communication is the key that unlocks success. When people can talk openly and clearly with one another, they can share brilliant ideas, solve complex problems with surprising ease, and deliver their best work right on schedule. It is the difference between a group of people working in the same room and a true, cohesive team. A team is a specific group of people who are united by a common purpose. They work together with distinct, understood roles, focused on a shared goal bigger than any single member's contribution. Think of team communication as the nervous system of your group. Without constant flow, parts isolate, efforts duplicate, details are missed, and objectives are misunderstood. To build something strong, you first need to understand the different blueprints available. Teams come in many shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific purpose. Recognizing the type of team you're on, or need to build, is the first step. One of the most common types is the departmental team. Marketing department, finance department, handling day-to-day work with a permanent structure, communicating around ongoing processes within deep expertise. Task force or project teams assemble for a single specific mission: launching products, organizing events, solving business problems. When the work is done, the team disbands and members return to their roles. These teams are often cross-functional. Diversity is a strength, but they must quickly establish clear communication to bridge perspectives and align on a plan. Skunkworks: small, autonomous, built for speed and creativity. Advisory teams provide guidance, not execution. Virtual teams: distributed, connected by technology. Investing in a strong team pays enormous dividends. Clear, measurable benefits for the organization. Multiple minds equal better problem solving. Diversity uncovers blind spots a single person might miss, leading to fair, balanced, thorough analysis and better decisions. More perspectives drive innovation and evolution. Communication reduces redundancy and costs through efficient processes. Teams respond faster to change when information flows freely. That agility is a competitive advantage. For individuals, teams sharpen problem-solving and broaden business knowledge. Cross-functional exposure fuels career growth. People practice leadership without formal titles by taking initiative. Positive teams lift quality of work life and satisfaction. Belonging reduces isolation and builds support networks. Connected people are happier, more motivated, more resilient. Yes. Creating a strong team is deliberate construction. Start with a solid foundation. Select the right members. Technical skills plus communication and collaboration. Assemble varied skills, backgrounds, and ways of thinking. If everyone thinks the same, the team has a massive blind spot. Balance personalities. Keep healthy tension. Prevent destructive conflict. Prioritize collaborators and listeners over solo brilliance. Give the team a clear identity and purpose. Define the mission. What are we here to do? What does success look like? Establish roles and responsibilities so nothing falls through the cracks. Define boundaries and authority. What decisions can we make? When do we escalate? Use the first meeting to set ground rules: how we communicate, how we decide, and how we handle disagreements. Build psychological safety so every voice is heard. Design structure and norms up front to support challenges ahead. A sturdy framework carries the team through rough terrain. A little architectural work now prevents painful rebuilding later. Section 6. Who's in charge here? A guide to leadership styles. A leader's style shapes how teams communicate and perform. It can encourage dialogue or shut it down. Autocratic, fast decisions, useful in crises, but limits feedback and motivation. Top-down communication. Laissez-faire, hands-off freedom for self-directed experts, but can mean lack of direction for less experienced teams. Democratic, solicits input, builds ownership and buy-in. Coaching, mentors strengths, builds capability and loyalty. Bureaucratic, consistent and safe, yet can slow innovation. Supportive, builds trust and helps navigate challenges. Directive, clarity and oversight when tasks are complex or team is new. Participative, actively involves the team in decisions. Achievement-oriented, sets ambitious goals and shows confidence. Decision styles also reshape conversation dynamics. Directive, fast, minimal communication, clear next steps. Analytic, slow, evidence-driven, high-stakes rigor. Conceptual, creative, long-term. Behavioral, harmony, empathy, consensus. Many teams no longer share an office, often across cities, countries, and time zones. Choose tools with intent. Email for records, video for important meetings, chat for quick questions, project platforms for visibility. Set explicit expectations. Core hours, response times, clear deadlines. Build trust deliberately. Regular work and social touchpoints. Keep engagement high and rotate meeting times across zones. Record important meetings. Respect people's time. Address conflict quickly. Pick up the phone or start a video call, not text or email. Encourage informal channels for bonding. They weave the team's social fabric. Team communication is an active skill that shapes success. Build on clear goals, defined roles, and deep trust. Today, set one crystal-clear weekly goal. State how you'll decide the next decision, and start one remote ritual. Small, consistent steps turn individuals into a cohesive, effective team, starting today. If this helped, subscribe for more team tips. Like and comment your biggest takeaway today.